Today we are going to start with the COVID-19 situation in South Korea, as it's the issue on many people's minds. The country's health authorities are kicking off the next phase of their national inoculation campaign by opening vaccine reservations for teenagers who are 16 to 17.
Officials say online bookings for that age group will start this evening. For more on that and other COVID-19 related news, we have our Choi Won-jong in the studio. Won-jong.
Good morning.
Good morning. The KDCA has said that 77% of the nation's population have received their first jab of the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, this next phase is expected to boost the figures even further, right?
Good morning, guys. Like you said, starting today, the Tuesday here in Korea, the teenager aged between 16 and 17 will be able to book vaccine appointments with their parents' consent. Like previous the reservation methods, reserving a slot will be done online starting 8 p.m. Korea time. Beginning October 18th, those with a reservation will begin getting the mRNA vaccine from Pfizer with a 3-week interval between the first and the second dose. For kids between 12 to 15 years old, their booking window starts on October 18th and their vaccination will kick off in November. Again, with their parents have to consent. Also, the reservation for the third additional vaccine shot, so-called the booster shots, will start on Tuesday. At 8 p.m. Korea time, those over 60s and most medical workers will be eligible to receive the extra jabs. And this comes after health authorities have been seeing numerous breakthrough cases due to the Delta variant.
And while we're on the topic of booster shots, it's not only Korea that's getting involved in giving booster shots to their populations. Other parts of the world are doing it now as well. Tell us more about the latest on that.
Yeah, so Europe's top drug agency has approved the booster shots for people 18 and older. The European Medicines Agency said on Monday this will be the case for all adults and will be available for people at least 6 months and after second dose. They will get the Pfizer vaccine. So what's interesting is that this approval is a much larger age group than the U.S. FDA approved. The United States only allowing for those over 65. In the U.S., Johnson & Johnson Janssen vaccine is seeking FDA approval for its booster shot. The pharmaceutical company will be submitting the necessary paperwork this week. The Janssen vaccine is a single dose, and the FDA and outside experts have been discussing whether to give the green light for this vaccine, and we'll see what unfolds over the coming days.
Now, Won-jong, people in South Korea are returning to work today after a three-day-long holiday.
That's right.
Now, health authorities are concerned of a possible spike that could be evident in this week. Now, how do we forecast the figures for today?
So from midnight to 9 p.m. Monday, new cases were reported 1,515. But the final figure through midnight is expected to be around 1,700. The daily figure to drop below 2,000 mark recently. However, this could be a temporary slowdown because fewer tests were conducted the long weekend. Authorities are also concerned about a holiday surge as more people travel around the country during the 3-day weekend. Now, I'll be back with the confirmed daily figure later in the day.
Yeah, we normally get that in around 2.5 hours
Right, so
from
after
now.
3 hours or so. Right?
Yeah, and considering it was in the 3,000 range not so long ago, a dip to 1,700 would be very welcome. We appreciate your segment today, Won-jong, and we'll see you tomorrow.
A pleasure to be here.
Thank you.